If this is your vibe, this is your vibe, this is your vibe, this is your vibe, I wanna be friend. So today I want to show you specifically my personal private collection that I had today with me. They're all Iranian 18 karat gold together with turquoise. You know that turquoise stone in Iran is very famous, one of the most precious stone, which you find it specifically in Iran. And I have this golden big heart that I added. I show you how cool is this necklace. This is for me, I don't sell it, and I just want to show you how big is my jewelry collection, and let's just dive to it.